had to get the E30 out today. Flipping a boiling hot day, so it kind of deserves it. I thought I'd actually have a walk around video of the actual E30, because I haven't actually done one yet. I've just done a POV. I'll just park up somewhere, get a little walk about, show you the E30, go from there. Never guess what I've just done. I've literally just full on broke the front splitter of the car. Look at this, bro. Oh, literally, it has gone in pieces. Oh man, full on snapped it in like 2 pieces. Wait, it's getting in this freaking car park. Look. Nah, she looks flipping weird, bro. And you get a new fucking front lip now. Right, next time I'm getting air ride, because £4 worth of air ride is worth cutting your lip all up in 2 pieces. But yeah, anyway, never mind. This, despite the front lip, this is a 320i Bmw E30. I got this, I've had this for about 4 months now. It's freaking clean. All this has been powder coated, K&N, everything's just been replaced, it's all new. But the only downside of it is the wheels. I don't like the wheels. Like, they're reps as well, so I'm planning on getting something absolutely decent. But I don't know what yet, so I'm gonna try and figure that out. And also, one of the wheels is missing a hubcap, which is really annoying. But the whole entire car is freaking mint. Like, look at it. It sounds awesome as well. Freaking sounds mint. It sounds like a motorbike when you're actually going, like, putting your foot down sort of thing. I fucking love it. It's a beast. Film this. See my dog in the background now, but I had to film this video in like 2 parts, because one, I was kind of pissed off about my front lip. I repaired it, so that's all good now, and plus I was hungry, so I had to go out and get some food. I'll stop off in a minute, I'll show you like a bit more about the car. Dog in the back, his name's Kiba. Whether you guys seen him yet. We're just driving to the container now, give you a bit more close up of the plans and what we're actually doing with the car. My dog's probably wondering who the hell am I speaking to, but he's all good back there. So yeah, I'll stop off, I'll show you the ins and outs of the E30. Yeah, we'll go from there, show you the plans of what we're actually doing, if we're going to be changing things or what needs doing, you know, the little niggly bits that you don't see on photos. But yeah, go there. You have to. Yeah, so I'll tell you what actually needs doing to the 30. I'll just exchange this plug there. The roof needs painting. It's got some lack of peel, but I think that's because of when someone put a car cover over it. I think that's what it is anyway, but yeah, that's what I think that is. Yeah, when I snapped the front lip, I actually repaired it with what's it called, plastic welder. Yeah, you can kind of see it. Kind of see where I've repaired it. Because obviously this was in 2 pieces, as you've seen. But yeah, it actually looks alright from back here anyway. I need new wheels, but I think I might just paint and refurb them just for now, just to make it a bit more tidy with hubcaps and stuff. Obviously these aren't legit, these are just reps, and yeah, they really look that good. And also the spoiler is doing, obviously this is like really old and it's foam, so obviously in the heat it cracks. So, but that is pretty much about it, to be fair. It's just little tiny things, but other than that, the car is actually really clean. Obviously, interior is clean. Obviously, you know, I've got dog stuff in the back, so scratch the seats, you know. That is. But yeah, the car is actually mint for obviously the age of it. Yeah, the car is actually mint. I am actually at the container at the moment because I've got to put the girlfriend's car in because I've got to do auxiliary belts on it. But the car is actually solid for the age of it anyway. Like obviously it's the dream car that I've wanted for so long, so I've tried getting the best one as I possibly could instead of spending like 20 odd grand. So I've got the doggy there, he fucking loves it, wherever you are.